name is Noviera Watohutna.
My name is Ashir Ahmad Jufri.
My name is Rahima Minaki.
Today, we will discuss finance and share some useful insights about this topic.
Enjoy this video.
Bye!
Hi, good morning. Hi Nadia, hi Rama. This topic is related in sector.
Very useful indeed, Irma. What matter most for fair value in your view?
I think profitability, good and stable profit definitely gain investor trust.
Agreed, but liquidity is also key. Healthy cash flow keeps operation running smoothly.
True, also the policy and dividends greatly affect value. How you manage debt and shareholder matters.
Right, it's not just one thing, it's all mixed with balance.
Actually, all factors connect and influence as others directly.
Me too, nice talking with both of you.
Some years, let's go get a green people living.
Sure, let's go.